Hey guys, so please come with me. Today we are making thick bleach. So the ingredients: sodium, slace, and caustics, and then water, guys. So let's start working. So guys, we mix caustic with a little bit of water so that it can make 150 milliliter. So let's start working. Yes, our caustic, guys, 150 milliliter. So guys, first thing, sodium. Don't forget, we start with sodium. It's 5 liter, guys. 5 liter of sodium. We put sodium first. So now slace. Our slace is 2 liter. So 5 liter sodium and 2 liter slace, guys. Let's start working. And then our caustic, 150 milliliter. Yeah. So now we mix everything in here. We mix. We are making thick bleach, guys. And then water, guys. Little bit by bit, guys. You don't just take and put everything in here. And then our water is 50 liter. Our water is 15 liter, but we put bit by bit. So yeah, we are mixing it together. So we are mixing it together, guys. So guys, don't forget we are making thick bleach / Domestos, guys. But Domestos is the name of the brand. So mine, I just call it thick bleach. So yeah. So guys, we are mixing it together. We just put some water here because we put water bit by bit. Water is 15 liter. We are mixing it together. Guys. So guys, we are mixing it together until it became ready, thick. You will see it, guys. When it's ready, you can see it. So guys, yeah, this is our thick bleach. Can you see that? This is our thick bleach, guys. This is our thick bleach. So now our thick bleach, guys, is ready. Look at that. Wow. So yeah, guys, this is our thick bleach. So yeah, guys, so please comment, please share, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, guys. So yeah, see you in my next video. Love you, guys.